so excited about today. When I got into town, you know, I'm not really doing an itinerary, and I was looking up things to do, and I found a really cool day trip. I wanted to show you guys how to use the storage lockers here at the Prague train station. You're gonna come to the south end, and most likely off your train you're gonna come down these elevators and make an immediate right, and you can't miss the luggage lockers. Now you might be wondering, I just got off a train, what am I supposed to do if I don't already have cash? Make an immediate right again and come down to the J row. The J row is the only row that you can use your card. So then you just find a locker that can fit all of your things, place all of them inside, make sure to make note of the number, and then use the card machine. A locker that can fit probably 2 hand luggages or a larger luggage. It's 100 Czech crowns. That ossuary is Holy Land. During the Black Plague, a lot of people were buried there, and the ossuary now contains between 40,000 and 70,000 bones that were unearthed when they were getting ready to make a new cathedral. It's a Roman Catholic cathedral. It was really interesting. If you're into death, which is a weird thing to say, but if death doesn't freak you out, then that museum is right up your alley. Many of you probably don't know, but like in our real jobs, my co-parents and I are both death workers of different forms, and so it was really interesting for me to go there and see. wanted to show you guys my Airbnb. It is about 1 minute away from the tram line, which will easily take me downtown. This bedroom is so adorable, and it's basically a studio setup with a pretty adequate sized kitchen and a nice view. Good morning, tribe. It's a rainy day here in Prague, which is probably exactly what I needed. I need to be working, and I haven't been doing a really good job of doing that. So I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'm going back to my Airbnb to work. Good morning, tribe. It's a beautiful day today in Prague, and I'm doing something a little bit different. So typically I just travel around and see things that I like to see, but today I am doing not one, but 2 different guided tours around the city. First, I'm gonna stop at a couple places that I wanna make sure that I don't miss out on before I leave, and then I'm gonna head to my first tour of the day. coming here to try it because Eric, Minority Nomad, sent me here. Let's see what it's all about. If you're in Prague and you're missing home, you have to come and see Isaac here at Dirty Dog Barbecue and get some authentic Texas barbecue. It's so good. I couldn't even finish all of it. I'm stuffed. There was so much food.
Dodos.
Since I left, you stood the test of time like the leader. It got too far and I will always linger. You went away to feel the wind getting thinner. It worked and I was on the verge.